Hi friends, here we are given two arithmetic progressions in the numerator and denominator. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus up to 50 terms and 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to n terms is equal to 51 by 2. This is a pretty straightforward problem. We just need to put the sum formula for arithmetic progression like this. What is the sum? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? For the numerator, n is 50. Right, 50 times is already given. 50 by 2 into 2a. 2a is 2 times 2 plus 4 plus n minus 1. That is 50 minus 1, 49 into d. d is 2. 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4. This is 2. The difference is 2. So what will this become? This is 98 plus 4, 102 by 2, which is 51. So 50 times 51. This is the numerator. What is the denominator? 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n terms. Again here, n by 2 times 2a. 2 times 1 plus n minus 1 into d. d is again 2 here. Right, this becomes 2 plus 2n minus 2. The 2 and this 2 will cancel. Right, and we'll be left with n square. Right, this 2 and denominator 2 will also cancel. So what we are left with 50 into 51, which is the numerator, by denominator, which is n square, equals 51 by 52. This 51 we can cancel, 51 and 51, n square if it goes this side, then 2 into 50 is n square, which is 100. So n square equals 100, n equals 10. N cannot take negative terms, right? N square equals 100, n is plus or minus 10, but here we are concerned only about the positive term. So in the denominator, there are 10 terms. Right, guys? Simple problem, right? Thank you.